Craving tacos, but your wallet's feeling light? Let's whip up some seriously tasty tacos using only ingredients you can grab from Walmart. It's the ultimate budget-friendly feast. First, head to the meat section and grab some ground beef. A pound should be plenty for a few tacos. Now, in a skillet over medium heat, brown your ground beef. Make sure to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. Once browned, drain off any excess grease and then sprinkle in your favorite taco seasoning. Follow the package directions for the amount to use. Next, add the amount of water indicated on your taco seasoning packet. Stir well and let it simmer for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. While the meat simmers, let's prep our tortillas. You can warm them up in a dry skillet, in the microwave, or even over an open gas flame for a slightly charred flavor. Now for the fun part: the toppings. Grab some shredded lettuce, shredded cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, whatever you like. And your favorite salsa. Walmart has tons of options. Assemble your tacos. Start with a warm tortilla. Add a generous spoonful of the seasoned ground beef. Then top it off with lettuce, cheese, and a dollop of salsa. And there you have it. Delicious, budget-friendly tacos, all thanks to a quick trip to Walmart. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and affordable recipes. Happy #Taco Tuesday.